more capable and convenient than ever. The future is even brighter. Solid-state batteries could soon deliver 500-plus miles of range and ultra-fast charging. More affordable models are on the way, making EVs accessible to everyone. Self-driving tech and sustainable materials are evolving fast. The next wave of electric SUVs will be greener, smarter, and more affordable. The journey is just beginning. So, which 2025 electric SUV would you choose? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more on the future of electric cars. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Natural commands. Smart cabins offer wellness programs, massages, curated scents, and personalized lighting to relax or energize you. Air quality sensors and filtration keep your environment pristine. Audio has evolved 4D sound systems let you feel the music, not just hear it. Level 3 autonomy is here. On approved highways, you can let the car drive while you watch a movie or answer emails. Augmented reality displays project navigation and safety info directly onto the road ahead. All these innovations combine for a safer, more comfortable, and deeply personalized experience. Your car is now a smart partner, not just a machine. The fusion of hardware and software is the new hallmark of luxury. 2025's best cars are defined as much by their silicon as their leather. The future is intelligent, intuitive, and immersive. This is what sets today's luxury vehicles apart. The tech revolution is just getting started. So, what's next for luxury cars? Fully autonomous vehicles will transform interiors into mobile lounges, offices, or entertainment spaces. Ultra-fast and wireless charging will make EV ownership seamless. Just park and power up. In-car health monitoring will track your well-being, even responding to emergencies automatically. Personal air mobility, think eVTOLs, could soon let you bypass traffic entirely. Hyper-personalization will use AI and biometrics to tailor every detail to your mood and preferences. The future of luxury is about technology, wellness, and ultimate convenience. Cars will save you time, reduce stress, and deliver experiences crafted just for you. The models we've seen today are just the beginning. The journey into this new world of luxury is only accelerating. The next chapter is coming fast, and it's going to be extraordinary. That's the landscape of luxury cars in 2025 where innovation meets tradition. These cars are more than status symbols. They're showcases of the best technology, design, and craftsmanship. The future of first-class travel is now in your driveway. Which vision of luxury speaks to you? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this deep dive, hit like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. See you on the next luxury